Today marks the third anniversary of Versio. Starting at a staff of 10 members to having 700 plus employees, Versio has really made a significant impact during its journey. With 150,000 plus students trained so far, we have managed to create a difference in these last 3 years.
The last 3 years, with a drastic change of 150% growth in terms of members, in terms of learnings, in terms of users we acquire. I feel we are going to be the largest player, especially in between K12 to K16, and we grown enough in the years to as a how we're giving a certification programs or internship programs, or we have launched we have launched kids program, SSC platform, and we want to be giving a one-stop solution for all the student communities and the students who have been able who want to learn more affordability ways.
In our early days, one of the hardest things was to introduce ourselves to the students. Since we were new in the e-learning market, we had to come up with an entirely distinct outreach method. With time, as we kept expanding, we started experimenting with different methods. I, along with my team, managed to change the entire scenario of the whole sales department. However, this is just still the tip of the iceberg. We plan to expand a lot more and become a household name. Cheers to Versio and the entire effort what the team has put so far.
When we started, we never thought we would be coming this far this soon. Since we got started, we have been approached by so many students that wanted to learn everything from us. This kind of response overwhelmed us, and we took a stand and made a promise to ourselves that we don't stop at anything.
I have been part of Versio team for the last 3 years. Over these 3 years, I have literally watched the company going from the team of 20 to 30, and we are a team of like 700 employees. We set up a course where we realized we are going to face like many up and downs, but thankfully our rides went like very smoothly for the last 3 years, and hopefully we will be achieving what we can set up for the course for. And I want to thank for the team for the part of my journey.
Over these years, we even achieved major landmarks like introducing new programs that include certifications, pro degree and job guarantee programs, competitive exam training, kids courses, banking and SSC exam training.
I was always curious about the fact that how would our country change if we were, to witness a different spectrum of education. And now with Versio, I can safely say that, we are a nation that if we wants to learn. And in Versio, what we want is to put a right person to the right direction. And I joined Versio, and now we are growing, and I would like to tell you that welcome to you all to our journey, and I wish you all the best for you all. Thank you.
Over the year, we have expanded, learned and grown together. With just a small team to start to having 500 plus employees now, we definitely have made a huge significance with our platform. Since I was here, right from the very early days, I remember exactly how we had a small office and a small team with limited possibilities. Looking back at it, I am really proud of the entire team and the joint contribution we have put to bring our company where it is. I always wanted to be a part of a team that is heading towards creating a difference. And now with Versio, I can proudly say that we have contributed a lot toward making this difference. Thank you.
Training. As we diversified into these programs, we have to touch every space of the e-learning sector and provide our excellence in every single field.
When I got started at Versio, our team was really small. We had limited staff with big expectations, but that never stopped our legendary team members to achieve what we had set course for. For the last few years, we managed to achieve some of the most difficult business goals that never even we dared to dream at one point in time. Thanks to collaborative efforts of our team members and the efficient leadership from the top management, we have managed to create a difference with Versio.
Cheers to our marketing department. We have come a long way in the last 3 years. From following 100 people to growing it to thousands. We have transformed the entire dynamic of our company. Being a part of Versio is such an extraordinary experience. I have been heading our branches like digital marketing, content department, and graphic designers team. We are learned and growing here. So cheers to the entire team. You did great over the last few years, and most importantly, cheers to the students that who trust us with their learnings.
Our AI based company is growing and we are seeing responses like never before. We are really jubilant and overwhelmed with joy with the response our students are providing with us. We really hope to make a difference and want you to be a part of our family.
Congratulations guys, we have grown big enough from the day one we started and the day we are at, and we believed the growth possible only because of you, beyond because of the team which has helped us from the start till date. And a lot of people have been here and helping us from the growth from the day one and trying to prove themselves in and get into a better position in the organization. And we believe we'll grow much bigger and much larger than what we expected. And I feel next 3 years is going to be our years, and we are going to be one of the largest edtech player in the market, organically growing with a bigger vision and bigger mission, and making with a better learning experiences to the engineering students and better learning experience to the commerce students, and creating a better learning experience to the upskilling students. And we have been doing this a while, and we believe through all of us from the team of 5 to and growing a team of 700 plus within a short span of 300. It's a tremendous journey, and we feel you all can together make it much more larger and much more bigger in terms of numbers, in terms of revenue, in terms of making people upskill and reskill, and making people to educate themselves to get a better learning experiences, and making them to employability with a larger vision. I believe we all are in a same agenda and same vision towards our next year, and we should be much bigger in the next year anniversary. I wish all the very best to the whole team which has helped us at the start, and I congratulate to the whole team which has been built so far, and I wish all the best for the people who joined recently, and I hope you all will grow in the organization, and grow. All of us together need to be grown together.